Good evening and welcome to the Financial Week. I'm Andrew Laidley. Starting a business in Jamaica can sometimes be a daunting experience, but as you'll hear in this report, a little determination and creativity can go a far way in laying the foundations of a stable business. This is a mobile tire shop. It may not look like much, but it's how mechanic Kern Saunders has been earning a living for the past 8 years. And as he explains, the business has been growing consistently.
Make money where I can live, and my family can live, and my youth them can get paid, my workers them get paid, and I can put a little thing aside. So I give God thanks.
The shop currently employs 4 people, but Mr. Saunders has plans to add another mobile unit to his business, offering more opportunities for young job seekers. He told our news team that the initial business concept came to him after brainstorming about how to make his dream a reality.
I never really have no location. Basically, I never have location. I say, boy, I go drop the tire shop and thing. So I say, you go, I have a truck. So I send on a truck. I say, you know what? I sit down one night about 2 o'clock, I come to my mind and say, yo, we cannot put the tire shop in the truck. I say, you know what, that I do, So the next, about the Sunday morning, I started, I get an electrician youth and start some electrical work in it and thing.
But it didn't take long before he stumbled upon obstacles.
The parish council come in for me and every government people come in for me and they say, boy, youth, I go stay here now. And I say, bossy, you have to do something because something conscious me I do. And I say, nothing wrong with me I do. So eventually the parish council, the mayor get together with the boat party get together and keep a meeting at the parish council. And everybody vote on the agreement, say, yes man, make him stay a good youth. He might do something good for this, he might do something good for the community, So I saw them just give me the permit and say, boy, hear me, are you respond to it? So do you have to do and make sure you take care of it, so.
But the challenges didn't stop there.
They're breaking about last year and take out a couple of my equipment, them, my generator, my jack and my ear gun and my slam bar. But say, by the next man again, me just get up and say, hear me, that not do me nothing, I say get on and do what I have to do because the mission I have to do.
Having overcome the challenges, Mr. Saunders has this advice for entrepreneurs who are just starting out.
Most people want to start something and they want a result right away. No, you have to just be patient. This is my future, this is my dream, and you know what I mean? So why going to leave my dream and my future when I love to do something else? This is what I have a passion for this, so I'm not leaving it,
Digicel has told creditors it expects COVID-19 to have a significant impact on its financial results for the current quarter. It issued the negative outlook after reporting a 5% increase in earnings for the year to March to just over $1 billion. It marked the first time Digicel posted an annual increase in earnings since 2014. To currency trading now, it ended today with the US dollar selling for $142.20. The Canadian dollar closed at $106.32. The pound is going for $179.56, while the euro sold for $160.13. The JSE index gained 722 points, while the junior market index is down 14 points. Among the winners were Siboney Group, Mailpac, Cygnus Credit Investments US dollar shares, JMMB Group 7.5%, and First Rock Capital Holdings. Now on the losing side were Pulse Investments, T-Tech, Lasco Manufacturing, Jetcon Corporation, and Palace Amusement. And that's the Financial Week. I'm Andrew Laidley. Good evening.